The Tanjung Perak Port Police in Surabaya have discovered 3,000 detonators believed to be for use in fishing explosives and arrested a woman who tried to carry them on board a state-owned inter-island ferry. The police were randomly checking the belongings of passengers about to board the KM Chiramai inter-island ferry from Surabaya to Buton in southeast Sulawesi when they found 2 cardboard boxes containing the detonators. They then called in a bomb squad from the East Java Police. The owner of the boxes is a 35-year-old woman. She was taken in for questioning.
Mana setelah kita lakukan pengecekan, ternyata setelah dibuka isinya adalah detonator sebanyak kurang lebih 3.000 biji, ya, yang mana akan dikirimkan ke bau-bau. Informasi yang kita terima sementara ini untuk melakukan kegiatan.